Hi everyone, today we're going to study frustum of a cone. Given a cone, when we slice or cut through it with a plane parallel to its base, and remove the cone that is formed on one side of that plane. The part that is now left over on the other side of the plane is called a frustum of the cone. This is the frustum. Now let's go to volume of frustum of a cone. We have a frustum here. Given h as the height, r sub 1 is the radius of bigger circular base. R sub 2 is the radius of smaller circular base. For the volume of frustum, the formula is 1/3 times pi times height times the quantity, the square of r sub 1, plus the square of r sub 2, plus the product r sub 1 times r sub 2. Now, the curved surface area of a frustum of a cone. Let h be the height, r sub 1 radius of bigger circular base. R sub 2 is the radius of smaller circular base. Now let's have the L. This is the slant height of frustum. And the formula is the square root of the quantity h squared plus the square of the difference r sub 1 minus r sub 2. Now for the curved surface area of frustum, the formula is pi times the quantity r sub 1 plus r sub 2, then times L. Now, total surface area of a frustum of a cone. This is our frustum. For the total surface area of frustum, we have this formula. The CSA, or the curved surface area, plus the area of the bigger base circle, plus the area of the smaller base circle. And that will be pi times the sum r sub 1 plus r sub 2 times L plus pi times the square of r sub 1 plus pi times the square of r sub 2. Example, the radii of the ends of a frustum of a cone 45 cm high are 28 cm and 7 cm. See this figure. Find its volume, the curved surface area, and the total surface area. Take pi equals 22/7. Let's begin with the volume, and this is our formula. When we substitute the corresponding values, we have 1/3 times 22/7 times 45. Then the quantity 28 square plus 7 square plus 28 times 7. Let us simplify the values inside the grouping symbol. That will be 784 plus 49 plus 186. And the sum inside this grouping symbol is 1029. Using our calculator, we multiply 22 by 45 by 1029. Then divide by 21. That will be 48,510 cubic centimeter. This is the volume. Let us write this value opposite the formula. Let us now compute for the curved surface area. This is the formula. We need the value for L. Let us solve for that. The formula is given here. When we substitute the values, we have the square root of 45 square plus the square of the difference 28 minus 7 The difference here is 21 that we will square. The square of 45 is 2025. The square of 21 is 441 added to 2025, and that will be 2466. And the square root now is 49.65. Let us now substitute this value for the L. So for the formula, we have now 22 over 7 times 28 plus 7 times the L value 49.65. The sum 28 by 7 is 35. Then we multiply 22 by 35 by 49.65. Then divide by 7. That will be 5,461.5. The unit of measurement is square centimeter. This is the curved surface area of the frustum. Let us copy the value opposite the formula. Let us now proceed to the total surface area, and this is our formula. Let us substitute the corresponding values. We have now 22 over 7 times the group 28 plus 7 times 49.65 plus 22 over 7 times the square of 28 plus 22 over 7 times 7 square. The first group here is actually the curved surface area, and this is the value that we derive. We can simply use this and substitute here. Then, the square of 28 is 784, and 7 square is 49. Let us simplify this product. 22 times 784 divided by 7, that will be 2,464. 22 times 49 divided by 7 is 154. Then we will take the final sum, and that is now 8,079.5 square centimeter. This is the total surface area.